Hello viewers, today I want to teach you design tab in PowerPoint. Master design tab like a pro in minutes in PowerPoint. If you do want to use any default, any PowerPoint design tab default, if you want to use any variant themes in PowerPoint, you want to design your own as a fresher, what do you want in PowerPoint? I can give you some little secrets in this design tab. Even if you am an expert, you will learn more, but as a novice you will learn it from A to Z. Let's dive in this training. Let's start with our training today. So we will do design tab. Okay, we have done home tab, insert tab, and other videos, how to insert PDF, how to insert video, and how to insert any even tables. We have done it in our previous video. Please, you can find them in the description section if you want to do them. I want to learn them. You can find the video. But today we want to do design tab. Once you click on design tab, you see a lot of tools that you use for this training. Okay, if you look at here, you will see sections. This is section, themes. Then when you select any one, you will see this one will be activated. Valued. Okay, this one is still, this one is the variant. Okay, this one is slide size, and these are from our background. These are what you see. Okay, for us to start with this, I want to show you small secret. These are the designs. They are called themes, and these are the format we want the design to be. They are called variants. Okay, if you don't want to do this thing like this, you don't want to do this thing like this, there are other designs. There are other designs. These are the presentation. Let me save it and show you other design that you can use. Once you log in, once you log in to your system, once you open your system and you open a PowerPoint, okay, you will see a lot of design. Let me just quickly show you some things here because I want to log out. Okay, this is the one I'm using for this training. Now, if you want to, let's close this. Okay, I want to bring another power. I want to open a PowerPoint. Let me show you design that you can use. This is the PowerPoint. Let's open a fresh PowerPoint. Maybe I say I want to open PowerPoint. Okay, you see a lot of designs. Apart from the one in this, look at this. These are designs. These are designs that you can. If you don't want to use blanks, this is the one I use. I use constant blank presentation. And when you use constant blank presentation, you can now add the designs in the PowerPoint interface. Okay, but here you can easily get it directly. You can click on this and it will open as the default in PowerPoint. You click on Great. Because you click on Great, it will open as a default, the one you want to use for your presentation. Look at it. Okay, that is it. Or let's go back again. Okay, let's go back. Okay, or you open another PowerPoint again. I want to show you some small secret that is not inside the PowerPoint interface. Now these are the design. Now if you look at the names, these are presentation on. You see a lot of formats. If you click on it, you see a lot of formats here. Okay, these are design that you can use. Already designed. Anyone you want to select, you can select and use it. Okay, if you want the one of educate, look at the categories of what you want to. You cannot see this type of thing here inside the PowerPoint, but you can see it once you open PowerPoint. You can see design. If you want to use the one of education, if you don't have time to do any design, you can easily come here, select it and put what you want to put. You want the one of back to school for children, you can use the design. Anything you want, a lot of designs that you need, you got a lot of them. Once you click on one, you will see a lot of, look at the categories. If you want books, okay, they can show you the format for book. You can select the one that you want. Okay, then apart from you can look at the themes. You have a lot of them. They are the same. You can pick any one. These are the one that you can see in PowerPoint interface, but not all of them. So you can come here and select before you let's now select. Okay, look at the one of education. Okay, this is the one of education. You can select any one you want. Okay, this is I'm under team. You want to you can place click on under presentation, so you now see a lot of them. Okay, look at education. Okay, this one I can select D, but I want to show you another thing again before we now proceed with the video. Okay, inside you have diagrams, because there are a lot of diagram that you can use. You can choose them. You can select the one on chart as your design. One of diagram as design that you want. Okay, many people don't know this. A lot of designs that is secret here. The one of design, one of them infographics, but I like the one of presentation. Then let me select education. Okay, I will select this maybe for your presentation. You can select. Then once you click on this, click on grade. Okay, many people don't know this. Just small secret that you need to know. Okay, once it open now, it will open as a presentation. Okay, look at it. You can now do what you want to do, add what you want to add, or design anything you want. This one you can now be editing what you want to edit, add what you want to add. You can remove this, add your own. Okay, anything you want, you can remove this, add your own. You can add your own here. Okay, maybe you don't want, maybe you don't want their own. You can add introduction. You can add remove their own and add introduction. Let me see introduction. So anything you want, you can use this format, design your own, and it will be better than nobody will see this, because this is a unique format. This is a unique format. You can place the starting slide. You can place format this and use it as your own slide for presentation. Okay, apart from this, let me go back and bring the one I want to use on this today. Okay, look at the one I want to use today. Okay, this is the design I want to use for this training. Now, look at this. I say that when you click on design, you will see a lot of themes that you need. Okay, this is the first one I selected. You can select any one. You can select any design that you want. And mind you, once you click on the one, it will apply to all. Do you understand? This is the best thing now. Then this is thing. Then this one you call value. Simply mean, how do you want that? How do you want that design that you select? How do you want it to be? You can use it variant. You can this design. Then you want to change the pattern of that design. You can come here, change it, but it's still the same design. That is the difference between theme and variant. This one is, if you click on this, you see a lot of, you can use font design. Let's click on color. Let's click on color first. Then you can select color of the font. See how it appeared. Okay. Okay, look at the color now. You can go back to it and select font. You can change the font of the text you want to use. There is no text here, you will not be able to see it. But if you want to try you see, you can change the effect of the background. Maybe you don't want it to be light, you don't want it to be more sharp, you want it to be more sharp. You can select anything you want. It can design. Use this one. Okay, and once you do that, it will apply to all. That is the secret. That is the thing I like in this design tab. Okay. Now another one again is that you can style the format style, you can background style, you can choose any background style, format it. The same thing is applicable to effects. Okay, the same thing is applicable to effects. Now apart from this, now you have other design. Look at this, you can design, you can add anything, but it's good to use one theme, and then you can use different you can use different formats, you can use different variants. Okay, it's good that you use the same for all the slides so that it will be good. Okay, this is about the themes. Okay, then the other one again, you can change the slide size. This one, the format is this one is called wide screen, it's called layout screen. Okay, this one is not put, if it's 16, the aspect ratio is 16 verse 9, 16:9. Okay, the standard one, you can use the standard one. Okay, you can use the standard one, but I like using that one. You can select any one you want, you can select this to ensure fit, make it will be like this. Okay, look at how it is now. You can for, but I like using the other place so it will be wider. I like using the other one. Okay, so format background, you can format the background by putting any design. If you don't want any design, you don't want any defaults that are here, you can select any design, you can select pattern, but you can select pattern, see the patterns. Okay, you can select anything you want to use, any design that you want to use, and what you use for your own. You can select solid one. So anything you want to, that is what you use. That is the important thing here. So another one again in this design, there's another one I want to show you in online, or the online. It's not in the normal one, but if you have higher version 16 and above, you see the same thing. But this one is not higher version. I want to show you the same thing in PowerPoint online. Okay, PowerPoint online presentation. Okay, look at the presentation now. The one I need. So there is what we call designer. This one is not a normal PowerPoint. We must have PowerPoint 16 and above, or 360, PowerPoint 365. Okay, that is it. So this is design. You click on this, you can get any different designs, embedded design styles that you want your presentation to be. Look at the one I selected now. It will give you different formats, different designs. So it's very important, it's good. You can, if you want it to be inside, you can make it to be inside. You understand? Anything how you want your presentation will be, that is how it will give it to you. You can design it with the designer too. Okay, if you love our video, this is where we stop. If you love this design tab, please don't forget to like and even share to the other people so that they will learn. Also subscribe and also comment. It's good that you comment. Comment is very important. Okay, thank you. See you in my next video.